Is your VW Atlas key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR232 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually near the key blade. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Snap the case back together, test the buttons. Most Atlas models from these years use the CR2032, and this process will solve 90% of remote issues related to a dead battery. OEM batteries are recommended. What if the case won't open? A common issue, especially with the Chrome model, is strong adhesive. Apply heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to loosen it. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, your key fob might need reprogramming. Some dealerships offer over-the-air updates via their app. If you have pairing glitches with the new battery, try an OEM VW battery, part number 0009279600 or equivalent. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. While DIY is usually successful, consult a professional if you're uncomfortable or the issue continues.